Welcome back to another edition of Cali Bro J. Today, guys, we have some dragon fruit that we froze last season, and today we are going to make some strawberry, not some strawberry, but some dragon fruit sherbet. Guys, this is this Nama 2 juicer is like beyond incredible. So I'm gonna have my little assistant load it up and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, guys, there you have it. Beautiful dragon fruit sherbet. Look at that. 100% natural, no sugar added. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Cali Bro J, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.